Welcome to Getembe Electricals. Today I'm going to show you how to connect water filtration system when using this pump. So you use an ordinary pump, which is this, which you connect as I had shown earlier, and then water comes. This is the inlet, this is the outlet. So from here it comes to this first tube, which is called a PP. This is called a PP. It's called a sediment filter to extract suspended materials, big things. Then you go to the next tube. This next tube is called a GAC, granular activated carbon filter. So you go to this third one, which is called a CTO, with its carbon block filter. It removes additional chrome and organic matter. So this is how you arrange them, and water comes here dirty, and it comes from here at this other end clean. Like and subscribe for you to see our other videos. Thank you.